Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Roblox Delta Executor on iOS. This powerful tool provides additional features and customization options for your Roblox experience. Users often look for ways to expand their gameplay, and executors like Delta offer that unique capability. We will cover the steps necessary to install and begin using this on your Apple device, ensuring you understand the process from start to finish. Before beginning, confirm your iPhone or iPad is running iOS version 13 or a later update for compatibility. Next, you will need a trusted third-party app store or a side-loading application on your device. These tools are crucial for installing applications outside of the official Apple App Store. Finally, check your storage. You will need at least 1 GB of available space to accommodate the application and its associated files. Once your device is prepared, open your chosen third-party app store and locate the Delta Executor application. Tap the download button, then follow the on-screen prompts to begin the installation. This process typically takes 1 to 2 minutes, depending on your internet speed. After installation, go to your iPhone or iPad settings, navigate to General, then VPN and Device Management, and trust the Enterprise Developer profile associated with the new application. After successfully trusting the profile, you can launch Delta Executor directly from your home screen. The application may require a few moments for an initial setup or update upon its first launch. Remember that using third-party tools like this can come with inherent risks, including potential account suspensions from game developers. Always exercise caution and ensure you are downloading from trustworthy sources to protect your device and your gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.